In this video, we'll connect Notion to n8n. In order to do it, first of all, you should go to Notion. I created a page which is called n8n workflows. It's just a normal page, nothing special here. First of all, let's add a database here. So I press plus sign, I start writing database, and it's going to be full page database. Let's give it a name first, n8n database. And we can even add some kind of icon. I normally go here, type something like storage, and choose the color. So if you go back, you can see that there is first n8n database here. Let's also do the following. Let's duplicate this database without content. There is no content, but let's do it without content. And let's rename it to the second n8n database. I would like to give access to n8n to Notion, and not just to one database, but to both of these databases here. First of all, you should go here to these three dots and choose connections. Under connections, you should go to develop integration. In develop integration, let's create a new integration. Plus sign, associated workspace. This is the workspace which is active. I'm currently logged in with this account, so I'm choosing it. Integration name, I will write n8n connection. You can name it whatever you want. Type of the connection is internal, not public, and you can even put a logo. So let me just basically upload the Unreasonable AI logo here, and we'll press save. It's created, and the configuration of the integration is here. So this page has been opened. What I will do now, I need to press show for the secret key, and I need to copy this secret key into the clipboard. And the next thing I'm doing, I'm just going here back to the page where I would like to add access to n8n to the content of this page, to these databases. I go once again to these three dots, and under connections, I should search for my n8n connection which I created, this one n8n connection with my logo. I press it, and I just need to confirm that I'm giving access to n8n to this connection, to this the content of this page. I confirm. Next, we are going to n8n. And in n8n, if I go to credentials, I do not have anything related to Notion. I would like to create a Notion credential. Create credential. I type Notion API, continue. And here, let's first rename this. So I would call it Notion 13. So we go to the integration secret, and we paste here the secret key which we just copied from the previous page. I press save, and the credential is successfully created. I close this, and let's test if everything is working. So what we need to do now, we go to the workflows. I already started to create the first workflow with Notion. It's called Notion connection. I go inside. Here there is nothing yet. It's absolutely clean. I will add a Notion node, and I would like to see if I have actually access to these databases. So here I choose get database operation. I can see that I have a credential selected, Notion 13, the one which you have just created. And under the resources, it's a database and operation get from list. And here, if I press it, you can see that I have two databases to choose from. First n8n database and second n8n database. That's exactly the databases we're having here. First n8n and second n8n. And yeah, let's choose first n8n database, and let's test the step. So once we test the step, you can see that we have actually received some data. This is the content of the page, first n8n database. It has its name and it has its URL. If you like this video, I would of course appreciate if you subscribe to the channel. And if you would like to start using n8n, please use my affiliate link in the description below. It really helps me with the channel. Thank you, and see you in the next one. Bye.